Hello mga sir, welcome to Dad and Son Sports Cards, and we're back here after natin na matagal muli nakapag-upload ay we are here again guys at Dad and Son Sports Cards, and we will have today a mail day guys, no. Ang mail day natin ngayon is from one of our team Puyat, no, kasi as you all know, we just opened our shop Dad and Son Sports Cards, which we call Dad and Son Sports Cards HQ. And we are already accepting consignments, no? Yung consignments, pero exclusively to sa mga solid na team Puyat natin, guys, no? Sila yung community natin sa box break natin sa IG at Dad and Son Sports Cards. And I offered them a consignment service where yung cards nila ay pwede nilang ipadala sa amin and we will sell it on their behalf, dahil baka yung may mga team Puyat kasi tayo na talagang busy, hindi na nila magawang i-market yung cards nila, ibenta yung cards nila. Tapos baka may mga team Puyat tayo na gusto nilang i-liquidate yung kanilang mga cards na kuha sa mga breaks natin, no? So this is our way to help them, no, na yung mga frozen or yung mga non-moving assets nila ay mag-move na finally, no, through us, Dad and Son Sports Cards, who us, Sir Dad, ay ina-accept namin yung mga consignments na gano'n, no. So usually we just we have a limit muna, no, na 200 pesos and up na cards and must be top-loaded yung maipadala sa amin, okay? And we only have 10% commission, no, on every sale we make for these cards, no. So ito talaga pantulong sa Team Puyat, and we'll do everything na from marketing, from sorting to shipping, no. And ang mangyayari na lang, yung Team Puyat na nagpadala ng cards nila ay tatanggap na lang ng remittance within 5 days after collection, no, after collecting yung napagbentahan ng cards nila, no. So if you're interested sa mga Team Puyat na hindi pa aware na may consignment service tayo, you can DM us on our Instagram at Dad and Son Sports Cards, and you can message us, PM us sa Facebook Dad and Son Sports Cards. Sa mga hindi pa nakapag-follow sa Facebook namin, guys, follow nyo na kami sa Facebook page namin, Dad and Son Sports Cards, no, dahil nagiging active na rin tayo sa Facebook. Mostly singles tayo, pero yung break channel natin would remain sa Instagram at Dad and Son Sports Cards. So break natin, we're almost there on our 150th break. Thank you Team Puyat, no? Grabe, naka 150th break na tayo. Pero bago yan, dito na muna tayo sa main event natin, which is we will open this mail day, no? Itong mail day na to, galing to sa Team Puyat, no, na solid talaga, na laging nasa break natin, walang mintis. Ito si Sir Candid Plop, no, or si Sir Justin, no. Sir Candid Plop, thank you for trusting us, no, here at Dad and Son Sports Cards, kung saan kinonsign niya yung ibang mga cards niya at pinapadispose niya sa atin, no. And nga pala, sa mga gusto magpa-consign, usually it takes time, no, to dispose your cards, no, kasi we have to picture it, we have to open it, we have to sort it, tapos we have to market it, no. Napakaraming proseso, no. Kaya ang suggestion namin, if magpapa-consign kayo ng cards, yung hindi ninyo kailangan agad yung money, no, kasi yun nga, it would take time, no, to process a sale in a consignment service, no. Pero of course we'll try our best, no, na ma-dispose siya agad, no. So yung mga consignment namin, exclusively to na ibibenta namin through our Instagram at Dad and Son Sports Cards HQ, basta singles na pagbibenta sa Dad and Son Sports Cards HQ. Tapos sa Facebook page namin, hindi namin ihahalo to sa Shopee namin at sa TikTok shop namin, na okay? So purely siya sa Facebook and sa Instagram. Tapos syempre naka-display siya sa aming humble shop, no? Kaya ayun guys, simulan na natin tong mail day natin from Sir Candid Plop. Ayan, no? Tingnan natin ano kayang mga cards to. Baka may magustuhan kayo agad, dahil pagka nagsasubmit sila ng cards sa amin for consignment, nire-require namin na magkaroon agad ng price, no? Na magkaroon agad ng price. Yung price, sila dapat yung nagpresyo, okay? Dapat sila ang nagpresyo at kami naman ay ibibenta namin ito sa presyong gusto nila. Ayan. daily dose. Ay, hindi. Ayun, ganda naman ng case na to, Sir Candid Flop, no? Ayan. Okay. So, yan. This one of our requirement also na magkaroon sila ng list. Ayan, list, no? Tapos may price. Ayan. Ito yung desired price nila. Pagkalimbawa ay merong bibili tapos may offer, they're open naman for offers, no, yung mga Team Puwet nagpapakonsign sa amin. Pero I have to message them first if they will agree dun sa offered price ng mga prospect buyers natin. So this one requirement, i-list, no? Tapos isa pa nire-require namin, may price tag na sana. Pero kung wala pang price tag, okay lang din naman, no? Okay lang din naman. Basta may list, may price, kami na magpa-price, no? So, kami na maglalagay ng price tag na yun. So, ayan. Ayan yung list niya. Iisa-isayin na lang natin, buksan siya, no? And, yun nga, ginagawa namin ay tinitignan muna namin kung bangga yung cards na pinadala nila doon sa list nila, okay? So, ito yung mga cards na yun, naka-bubble wrap, ayan. Labas na muna natin sa box para hindi masyadong matakaw sa space ng video natin. Ayan. So, let's see. So, ayan. Thank you, Sir Candid Top, no? Kasi, before consigning, DM nyo muna kami dahil we'll send yung consignment guidelines natin. Tulad nito, ang consignment guidelines namin ay it should be all top-loaded. Dapat naka-top-loaded lahat ng cards na ipapakonsign sa Dad and Son Sports Cards, okay? So, tingnan natin yung mga ipapabenta. So, 200 pesos and up and must be top-loaded. Yun yung ina-accept namin, okay? So, may dumi pa, no? Diba, lilinisan na lang natin yan. Okay, so, ilagay muna natin lahat dito, no? Buksan muna natin lahat sa bubble wrap. Yes, we do also accept yung mga slabs, no? If may mga slabs kayo dyan na nakatambak lang, no? If masyado nang napupuno yung kwarto nyo ng cards, no? I-display na natin yan sa Dad and Son Sports Cards HQ, no? Siguro alam nyo naman na yung shop namin. Our shop is located at Sampaga, Balayan, Batangas. You can check sa Google Maps yung ano natin, yung shop natin, okay? Sobrang init, guys, no? Ayan. So, yan. Okay. May mga slabs dun siyang pinapakonsign sa atin. Lahat na mga consign, meron tayo isang display case doon, display cabinet doon, kung saan, or showcase, kung saan nandun lahat ng consign ng Team Puwet. Again, we're offering our consignment service to our solid Team Puwet members muna, no? Kasi, syempre, sino pa ba unang tutulungan natin? Syempre, yung mga tumutulong sa atin sa breaks natin, no? So, this is my way of giving back to our Team Puwet community. So, ayan guys, simulan na natin, no? Simulan na natin isa-isahin. First is itong coat of arms, Seth Curry, Crown Royal. Ayan, diba? Ayan, no? Ganda. Die cut, no? Yan. So, yan siya sa mga fans ni Seth Curry. Soon, ibibigay ko sa inyo yung presyo niyan. Tapos, or PM nyo na lang ako sa presyo. Lonzo Ball, pink camo. Ayan. Rookie ticket. Uy, alam nyo, yung iba dito familiar sa akin na cards. Kasi, na-pull ko to para sa kanila. I think this, if I'm not mistaken, Sir Candid Flop, na-pull ko ba to sa'yo? na-pull ba natin to sa Puwet Breaks, no? Again, we have box break Puwet, which we call Puwet Breaks, no? You can join our community, you can join our Facebook group, you can follow us anywhere, no? Nasa Facebook kami, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, lahat nandun kami, guys. So, ito, Jalen Suggs, ayan, 2-color, tapos isang Corey Kispert na jersey. Game, ano ba to? Not associated, okay? So, ito naman si Lou Dort. At I think I put this for him also, no? Lou Dort, if I'm not mistaken lang, ha? Nanguhula lang ako, no? Hometown Heroes autographs. Ayan. Lou Dort. Ayan, no? Interested kayo dyan, guys? Teka, i-one time natin yan. Para mas malinaw. Ayan. There. Ito, freshman phenoms na JJJ. Rookie niya to. We also have your Scotty B. Lahat to, guys, consigned, no? Consigned, no? We'll help him dispose this, no? Ayun. This one. Kaya gusto namin naka-tops para protected pagkapadala sa amin. Sure tayong protektado, no? Number 2 out of 49. So, Cassius Stanley, rookie, purple. Ayan. Donruss Elite. This is a hobby box, no? Paul George, Jam Masters, green mosaic. Ayan. We also have Ben Simmons. Ayan. Number 249. 102.49. Ayan. Playoff ticket, silver. We have rookie LaMelo Ball. Ayan. Essentials there. Uy, ganda nito. Sir Pau, oh. Sir Pau. Sir Trey Lectable. So, coat of arms, Kawhi Leonard. Ayan. Ganda rin. No? Coat of arms, Kawhi Leonard. Jason Kidd. Ayan. Jason Kidd. Sa mga fans ni Jason Kidd. Oh. Ayan. We also have here Jrue Holiday. Number 2199. Prestige 2014. Ayan. 2014 pa to, ilang taon na yan, no? Ito, retro series na Steve Nash from Donruss. Ayan. Ayan. We also have Charles Barkley retro series. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, league leaders. We have Excalibur, number 299. Ayan. Nobility. Isaiah Thomas, ganda rin, no? Ganda. Uy, Panini Black Isaac Okoro, number 249. Ayan, number 249 na Okoro. Ganda rin. Rainbow Spokes ang tawag pala dito sa insert na to. Rainbow Spokes. Ito, Anthony Edwards. Ayan, pag kami nakita kaming mga ganyan, we'll replace the top loader, no, and inform yung consignee natin. Pati yan, no, yung mga papalitan natin yun, yung sleeve na yan, we'll inform na lang yung consignee natin. Luka Doncic, My House. Uy, ganda nito. Ganda sa shop nito. Larry Bird, Winner Stays. Ayan. Larry Bird, Hall of Fame. We also have Chasing the Hall, Tony Parker. And we have Giannis Antetokounmpo, Jam Masters. Yan yung pinapakonsign sa atin ni Sir Candid Plop. Again, thank you Sir Candid Plop, no, for trusting Dad and Son Sports Cards. Dito na tayo sa slab natin. Okay. Slab. Tony Parker, 2013 Crusade Red. Ganda sa mga Parker, no? Mga Parker fans dyan, no? Ganda, oh. PSA 9. Ayan. If interested to any of these cards, just PM me. Comment lang kayo below, no? And I'll respond to you, no? I have naman the price here, no? Okay? So, Shea Gilgeous-Alexander rookie card, Chronicles, PSA 10. Ayan. Ayan yung isa pa nire-require namin. May sleeve sana yung slab when you send it to us. Then, 2019 Select Cam Reddish, PSA 10 rookie. Ayan. There. And Ja Morant, NBA debut, PSA 9. Ayan. Itong Ja Morant, nasilip ko agad. 1-2 yung ask declared value or asking price ng ating consignee. There you go. There you have it, guys. Thank you again, Sir Candid Plop. Now, if you're interested, you'll see this on our Instagram soon, on our Facebook fire sale, on our IG live sale, no? So, you'll see this there, no? And again, we'll not upload this cards sa Shopee namin, but we'll do live sale it there, no? Magla-live sale kami sa Shopee kasama tong mga consign na to, guys, no? So again, guys, if you haven't followed us on our Instagram, our break channel, Dad and Son Sports Cards, please do so at Dad and Son Sports Cards. Follow also our shop, Dad and Son Sports Cards HQ. Sa mga hindi pa nakabisita sa shop namin, bisita na kayo, no? Ang shop namin ay located in Sampaga, Balay, Batangas. May makikita kayo, Dad and Son Sports Cards. Pwede nyo i-Google Map, i-Waze, nandun agad, Dad and Son Sports Cards, guys, no? And we'll have more of this mail days, guys, soon, no? Kaya guys, dyan lang kayo at lagi ninyong abangan yung ating mga YouTube channel. Malay nyo, makadibs kayo agad sa comment ng mga cards na nandito, no? Kayo yung mauna dahil kayo yung unang nanood ng video na to, guys, no? So, maraming salamat, Team Puyat, at maraming salamat to all our viewers. We are close to 2,000 subscribers mga boss, no? Kaya maraming salamat sa mga nag-subscribe dito sa ating YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like, share, and mag-comment din kayo sa video na ito. And pag kami gusto kayong mga contents dito sa Dad and Son Sports, let me know, guys, no? And this or that again, reminding you that you can cash in on your passion. Again, subscribe at Dad and Son Sports Cards. Bye, guys!
I don't really know what comes next, I'm just doing my best.